Welcome to Shine World Group Nigeria, the Nigerian branch of Shine World Group China, your trusted partner in advanced cable manufacturing technology. Today, we proudly present our dual PVC extrusion line, designed for insulation and sheathing in a single process, specifically tailored for single-core stranded wires. We begin with the payoff unit, where the stranded copper wire is smoothly fed into the line, ensuring consistent tension and uninterrupted flow. The first caterpillar ensures stable and synchronized movement along the line. Next, the wire passes through a precision straightener, removing any bends or memory from previous handling. Here, the first extruder coats the wire with a durable layer of PVC insulation, offering high electrical resistance and flexibility. The newly insulated wire is immediately cooled in the first water trough, solidifying the insulation and maintaining dimensional accuracy. The wire then enters the second extruder, where a robust PVC sheath is applied, providing extra mechanical protection and enhancing cable lifespan. At the heart of this process is our intelligent control panel, allowing real-time monitoring, temperature control, and fault detection, all to ensure production efficiency and quality. The cable continues through 2 additional water troughs, maintaining proper cooling at each stage of the sheathing process. Our non-contact meter delivers accurate real-time measurement of the cable's outer diameter, ensuring precision without interrupting production. The cable continues through 2 additional water troughs, maintaining proper cooling at each stage of the sheathing process. Next, a sequential marker adds printed meter markings on the cable, critical for length tracking and installation accuracy. The final caterpillar drives the finished cable smoothly toward the take-up unit, where it is neatly coiled and ready for packaging or immediate dispatch. This is not just an extrusion line. It's efficiency, precision, and quality, all in one streamlined process. Shine World Group Nigeria, powering your production with excellence. Contact us today and let's help you take your production line to the next level.